My experience is before I came here, I was lost. I didn't know what I was going to do in my life, nothing. And I prayed God, it's a true story. I prayed God the night before I actually got hired. And I actually got hired by Freddie. And then he gave me a chance to become a lead material. And since then, I've been going up. I became a mold setter. I became a robotics technician. And every people that I met throughout the way gave me the life experience. I learned so much. I didn't know what career I was gonna have. I didn't know nothing until I came here, and thankfully I got a lot of experience now. At the beginning, I didn't have a car. Now I got a car. I didn't own a house. I didn't own nothing, but now I own my own house. And then now I'm about to get married. And that's like I never imagined that would ever happen to me. I'm just 24 years old. I'm young, and I'm really happy that my life really went up. I'm thankful for the job. I'm thankful for all the people that like came in my life. Everybody that came in my life really helped me out to make me who I am today. Like I could never be who I am today because I came from like a rough childhood. I'm raised and born from the north side. I've been by myself since I was 17 years old, kicked up into the house, and then now I'm just in the best place I ever could be in.